Greetings everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to connect our Avkans Go camera to SidelineHD through the Avkans Go Live app. I'm going to get started here on SidelineHD app, and I'm going to go to the team that I want to stream to, and I'm going to hit the settings button. Then I'm going to go to the camera settings. And then as you can see here, I've got Ryan's Mevo multi-camera selected. But we're going to click the three dot button. I'm going to go to Edit Camera. I want to show you this because it really doesn't matter what you're pointing at. Mevo Multicam, Mevo Single, Mevo GoPro Pro, or GoPro, Lyrics Broadcaster app. Really doesn't matter what it says here when you're streaming to the Avkans Go. What this is doing is it's setting up the way the URL stream and your URL and your stream key, is how you're going to copy and paste. So the next thing I want to do is I want to hit that button again, and I want to go to Advanced Settings. Don't worry about this. This is not hard, but as you can see, the stream URL and stream key are here. What I am going to do, the first thing I want to do is grab my stream URL. So I'll copy it, and then I will back out of here, and I will go to my Avkans Live app. I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to connect my camera. So we're going to do this way with my Wi-Fi. You can do this with cellular data, but my control pad does not have cellular data, but we'll talk about it a little bit connection wise. So I'm on the network that I want to be on, my Wi-Fi network that I'm going to be connecting to stream with. This is very important as well. You cannot connect to school networks, event networks, like what I mean by event is if you're in a volleyball situation and there's Wi-Fi network at that, an open Wi-Fi network there at that facility. You cannot connect to that this way. It will not allow the camera to reconnect back to the tablet or control device. You can use their internet to broadcast with, but this is not the way you do it. So moving on, I'm going to go to, I'm going to add my camera onto the app. So I'm going to go new video, and I'm going to select the Avkans camera. So here's where I was talking about connecting to Wi-Fi or connecting through the device that has cellular. So if I had cellular on this device, I would connect via the device. It would create its own network automatically. You would have to give it the permissions, and then the camera would then connect through its own connection or Wi-Fi or hotspot, whatever you want to call it. They call it a hotspot, to the tablet. And then the tablet would use the cellular data to stream out to SidelineHD. But we're going to connect to Wi-Fi. Pretty much very similar. So I select Wi-Fi, hit next, and then I have my network set up or network connected. Make sure you enter your password and hit next. So as you can see, the available devices is I have my Avkans Go camera here. I'm going to select it. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. If your Bluetooth is not on and you're not near your camera, you won't be able to connect. It's very important. Especially if you drop off your network and you restart from another place, be near the camera so the camera can connect, find it through the Bluetooth. It does not transmit any data through, any streaming through the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is just finding the camera to connect it up. So I've got it connected. I hit next. This is my office. Hi, how you doing? The next thing I want to do is I want to go to where it says live. I am going to create my next destination to SidelineHD. Now, your resolution, you can keep it at 1080p or 720 or 480p. I suggest if you do not have the capabilities to do 1080p, move it to 720. And for 1080p, you have to have at least 5 megabits per second upload consistently. Very difficult to do on a single cellular data plan. It's not impossible, but it's difficult. I have my video at, I changed my encoding type to H.265. My video is 1,000 kilobits per second or 1 megabit per second, which is perfectly fine for 720. And then I hit, then I'm going to go to my destination. I'm going to set my destination, and it's going to be RTMP. I know the YouTube and the Facebook are a little misleading, but SidelineHD takes care of all this, so we're going to do RTMP. We're going to select that, and then we're going to create event. I'm going to create this event if it's going to work for me, and then I'm going to give it a stream title. I'm just going to call this my SidelineHD stream title, because that's where it's going to go. The wonderful thing about SidelineHD is that once I put this URL and my streaming key in here, I never have to change it. It stays the same. The only thing I do is in my SidelineHD account, I change which team it needs to stream to. So we're going to select our server URL, and we had copied and pasted that earlier, and I'm going to paste it now. So now I'm going to go back to my SidelineHD app, and there's my stream key there at the bottom. I'm going to copy it. Same thing again. Go back to my Avkans, and I am going to paste it in there. And voila, it's there. Hit my check mark. I am now going to hit save. My SidelineHD is there and ready to stream to. I'm going to select it now and add destination. Now, once I'm ready to go live, I hit go live. It says, this is very important. This stream may pause when switching to other apps. Please leaving the Avkans Live app open and on screen, or use the RTMP stream, or use features like Stage Manager, newer iPad if available. I know this is a little broken English, but they'll adjust it as they get. But basically what it's saying is if you don't have a newer iPad, you don't have Stage Manager, it's going to be, if you move out of the app while it's streaming, you're probably going to, the stream's going to stop. Again, I am not an iOS guy. I just know how to use iOS for this. iOS is a little easier to use, or has more features than the Android app, but we won't cover that now. So I'm going to confirm. Just know you need to stay in the app. So I am live streaming. I'm going to hit the X, and that is going out to my SidelineHD account. As you can tell right here, it says live, and anytime it doesn't say live, it's not streaming out to HD or SidelineHD. I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully it wasn't too lengthy. If you have any questions, please comment in the section here, or join my Discord channel that I have set up, where lots of other people help others like you to have the best streams.